We're going to walk in it, baby. Just walk. You're going to smush it with your feet. Okay? See, Mommy? See? There was an awesome snowplow driver over there. This is the first blizzard of the year. First blizzard of Pepper's life, really, because we didn't get much of a winter last year. Yeah, she's got on her awesome snow pants. And this is our courtyard. It's still pretty windy out here. So far. Oops. Over my ankles for sure. The wind is definitely still pretty strong.
Want to show Mommy?
Oh no! Make a snowball for her.
Snowball. Hold it. Snowball. Yay!
Man, your scarf, that scarf looks pretty awesome, RPK. Looks super warm.
No, come on.
You can do it, buddy. Just walk around like normal. Normal.
Come on. Let's go for a walk. Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
You're doing great. You don't need to get up. Come on.
You're doing a great job, buddy.
You're doing great.
Did you touch the snow? Did you lean down and touch the snow like this? Look. Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that fun? Pepper, what do you think of the snow so far? Do you like it? You do? If you stick your tongue out, you can catch snow on your tongue. See, watch. Can you do that?
You watch, buddy.
Face this way. The wind is still pretty strong.
You ready?
Get it, please.
You want some more? Throw it at Baba. It's fun.
Throw some snow at Baba, Pepper.
Snowball fight. Yeah. You ready? You want to throw one at Baba?
Throw. Yeah, good job. Good job. More?
More.
Pick some up. Just bend over and pick some up. There you go. Yeah. You're doing great. Ooh, you know what we should do?
Yeah.
When we go in, we should make some hot cocoa and give her her first taste of hot cocoa.
Hey, buddy.
Pepper, bend over and scoop some up in your hand and throw it at Baba. There you go. Throw it. Yeah!
Right, actually, hit me with it. Here. Yeah, hit me with it. Here.
Awesome!
No. Tomorrow we'll go make snowman.
Yeah, and a snowman. We'll make a snowman tomorrow too. Aunt Cake sent you a snowman kit, and it has a hat and stuff, and we can get it out since we didn't use it last year. Uh-huh. He just threw a snowball at the baby. All right.